Love, tenderness, care. We all feel it as babies. The first breath of joy, the first smile, and the unforgettable milk flavor. They just happen to us when we are born. Apparently, milk is what our life begins with. Bellact has been there to take care of your health and good nutrition for almost half a century. We give our customers only the best. Today, Bellact is the only baby food producer in Belarus and one of the industry's leaders across the post-Soviet space. With the premises as big as 14 hectares and the staff of about 1,400 employees, the company processes about 900 tons of milk a day. Ecologically clean and located close to the Belovezhskaya Pushcha National Park, Volkovysk is an ideal place to accommodate a dairy and canning plant. Such a location warranties high-quality feedstock supplied to the plant from 4 clean districts. Milk is delivered to the plant from specific farms that have the status of special feedstock areas. The status is assigned by the Inter-Institutional Commission, comprising representatives from the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Agriculture and Food, and the State Committee for Standardization of the Republic of Belarus. Milk for manufacturing baby food is 100% supplied from dairy farms fitted out with European-class equipment. For fodder, these farms use only grass grown in their own premises. Modern methods of livestock management enable obtaining top-quality feedstock. From cows, milk is transported via a pipe system to closed-type cooler tanks. Prior to transportation, feedstock is tested to confirm valuable properties. That's why Bellact gets only milk of proper quality. All raw materials delivered to the plant are subject to thorough acceptance tests. It is only after their quality and safety are confirmed that they are used for production. Both feedstock and finished products are subject to multi-step laboratory testing that covers all production stages. The total scope amounting to 70,000 tests a month. All the laboratories of the testing center, an acceptance laboratory, as well as laboratories for physical and chemical, toxicological, and bacteriological tests, and the radiation safety station are equipped with advanced instrumentation devices. Advanced management systems, compliant with international standards, enable manufacturing quality and safe products, giving a huge boost to the brand's image and its export business. At its plant in Volkovysk, Bellakt JSC has introduced and certified the following quality and safety management systems. ISO 9001 Quality Management System, FSSC 22000 Food Safety Management System, Food Safety Management System based on Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, HACCP, STB 1470. In addition, Bellakt JSC in Volkovysk has introduced and certified ISO 14001 Environmental Management System. Bellakt has been upgrading its production facilities on a continuous basis. To provide required technology and equipment, the company cooperates with renowned and credible partners from Poland, Germany, France, and the Netherlands. Numerous Grand Prix prizes, diplomas, medals, and rewards at both national and international levels, and first of all, consumer trust testified to excellent quality of Bellakt products. Bellakt products are well known and enjoyed not only in Belarus, but also beyond its borders. Bellakt JSC from Volkovysk is an export-oriented company. Over the past decade, the company has been exporting its products to the Russian Federation, Ukraine, Moldova, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and Kyrgyzstan, as well as to Venezuela, Pakistan, Mongolia, China, Vietnam, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, Yemen, Turkey, Morocco, Egypt, Libya, and Côte d'Ivoire. Bellakt JSC from Volkovysk has trading houses in Moscow and Kiev. The ratio of exported to total sold products is about 35% on the average. Every year, Bellakt JSC from Volkovysk adds up to its turnover, heading for bigger projects and keeping its consumers happy with its tasty, healthy, and natural products for all family members. Belakt, the best for whom we love the most.